Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl T and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be doing my own soft locks, as y'all probably seen in the already intro, so let me just get into it. Hey y'all, so I wanted to pop in and show you guys a new method for soft locks that I really taken off. I personally won't be doing my hair with the knotless method, but I would love to show you the knotless method. The knotless method is going to give you very flat soft locks, okay? So if you like that look, you can go for it. For me, I like a more edgy, earthy, rough type of look to my locks, and that's just my personal preference. But I will show you all right now the knotless method that is taking over YouTube. Let's get it. All right, so first we're going to part out our arch like so. Oh, y'all, my sister's here too. But this is really a DIY, so that's why
I'm the camera person, y'all.
Yes, y'all, she's on the camera. All right, so you get your arch part like this. So I'm doing it like this. And then you take a little bit of your magic fingers. My bad, y'all. I had this on, but I really cannot wrap with this band on because then all the product gets all up in the hair and it makes it very, very hard to wrap. But then you could define your part. I'm not defining my parts because, again, like I said, I like a rough, edgier look. But if you are not new to this, please define your part. I do locks, y'all, so I don't, you know what I'm saying? Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and make sure I like that arch. The knotless method, you're going to start by plaiting your hair like so. All right, now that I'm about 3 down, I'm going to take that lock off this hand. I'm going to take that lock. It's open. You're going to grab your piece of your 3-strand braid. So grab one piece and pull it through the lock. All right. So now, if you see here, the lock is hanging on my braid. Now take your braid and finish braiding.
Taylor.
Shh. I'm filming. I'm filming. 10 minutes left.
Yes.
I'm working on copyright me with all that noise.
Yeah, I can pause that.
All right, you all. So now that we have it, you have your braid and you see your lock, right? Okay. Now you take your wrapping hair. Take a generous amount, like something like this. Like this much. And for me and my sister, when we do our clients' locks, we wrap their lock twice. So I would take something like this and then take a smaller piece just to secure it, but you really don't have to. But it gives, again, that earthy, edgy look. Now with this hair, you gotta run your hands over it and pull. Pull that extra hair off. Pull this off. You don't need it. Pull it off, okay? You don't need it. Do 1 or 2 times. Now you can go ahead and just start wrapping your lock from the root. If you're pretty, much not new to this, if you feel more confident, you can take your crochet latch, go through the base of your braid. Remember, your braid should not be so tight to the scalp that, you can barely get your crochet hook through, because that means it's not gonna look good. And then your locks will be stiff. Anyway, crochet through, grab your wrapping hair, flip the hook, pull the shorter end through. Like that. Now you're holding your shorter end, your lock, and your braid. I'm right-handed, so I gotta wrap with my right hand. Now I'm gonna take that and I'm going to wrap about 3 or 4 times at the root, not too tight, and already start working your way down. Not too tight, okay? Not too tight. And then I'm gonna like this, y'all can see. Now, where that buckle is, please secure the buckle down. So go over it about 3 or 4 times if you have to. Secure that buckle. Which is why I'm saying I'm gonna wrap my hair twice, because I'm not gonna do the knotless method. But if you do, please wrap this down. This is not cute. Please wrap that down. It's no reason for this to be knotless and then you see the buckle right here. You know what I'm saying? It's supposed to have little bumps, but So now we have our braid and our lock. It looks like this, right? Nice and flat through. Then I'm going to take my wrapping hair and I'm going to take a pretty generous piece of hair like this. We're going to take our full hair like this. So we have our braid and we have our lock and we have our full piece of hair. Now for me, I normally just wrap it around, but for the I'm probably going to do that because I think that would help the knotless method. But yeah, I could crochet this through the root. So it really, I'm gonna tell y'all the truth, it really don't matter. It just really don't matter. But if you want me to, I don't know if you want me to because I've already uploaded this. I'm just gonna go ahead and crochet it through the hook. So take your crochet hook, go through the base of your braid, hook your wrapping hair, flip the switch, pull that shorter end through. Then you're going to take your shorter end, your lock, and your braid. And we are going to wrap like so. All right. Let's see. Uh-oh, y'all. I talked all that trash now. Ain't no lump. Ain't no lump. I might do the knotless method all over. Okay. And then I'm gonna just keep going. Don't pull too tight. Remember that. You don't want them skinny. And then I just put mine in a little knot like this. Wrap it the rest around. Roll the whole head. And this is how it looks. This is how it looks. That is cute. That is cute. I wonder if our clients would like us doing knotless method on them. And this is how I'm looking so far. And only this one and this one is knotless. So this is how I'm looking. And then these are the non-knotless right here. So there we are. So I'm gonna just keep going and I'll check back in with y'all. Hey y'all, I'm done. It is 11:58, going on 12 in the morning. And I started at 6, but whatever, I'm done, okay? So in case I don't give y'all a proper intro with a face beat and everything, this is the hair. She's gorgeous. Ooh. This is the hair. Y'all, I love it. I love it so much. I wish I could show y'all. I'm trying to figure out how I want this front to lay. I like this side more, I think. I do like this side more. Of my face is what I mean when I say that. It is. Y'all, I'm gonna redo this because it's a hot mess. Like, I'm just lazy and I really could have redid that. Yeah, I'm gonna give y'all an update tomorrow when I like actually make an effort on these baby hairs. You know, maybe tomorrow, because I just did not try and I don't like it with this edges like this. But just know that I'm gonna fix the edges. Don't worry, I'm gonna fix the edges. I'm just about to stop filming right now and come back to y'all tomorrow with it all together. But I'm gonna fix it, so don't trip. Don't trip. No, I really done messed them up. But yeah.